Is intraday trading for you? What is intraday trading? In this video, we'll be discussing some of the integrities and I'll share my experience on how this intraday trading has been helpful for me, can be helpful for you, and what are the hindrances or what are the problems which generally occurs during this intraday trading. Myself, Brijesh Bhatia, Senior Research and Editor at Equity Master, and welcome to the Fast Profits Daily video series. So let's start with what is intraday trading. So basically, intraday trading is you buy when the markets open at 9:15 in the equities, or if you're trading commodities at 9 a.m. and by the end of the markets, when it closing at around 3:30 on the NSE or BSE and around 11:30 or 11:55 on MCX or a currency, whatever you are trading, and by the markets close, you end up your positions, which means that buying and selling has happened and you close your positions. So that's basically an intraday trading. Should you do intraday trading? Well, I started my career in 2006. I probably started my first trade in 2007 into the commodities, especially. And if I just remember, the first trade was on gold, which I bought and sold probably in 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 40 minutes. So starting into commodities as a career, margin was slightly lower, and I had no idea what equity is all about, because just a newbie into the markets, and when you are a newbie looking at the market, it's always that you want to make money out of it. And I guess same has been experienced by you as well. But as the time evolved, I realized that there are many things apart from just analyzing and trading into the intraday sites. So let's look at the first, and I am sure that the intraday trading right in 2006, 2007, probably 2010, and the culture now in 2020-21 has been drastic change. So I know many of them who are trading intraday way back in 2008, 9, 10. People were slightly or more dependent on the research calls which they get on SMSs, or probably at that time it was BlackBerry messaging. WhatsApp was probably, I think, new to the world. So people used to being dependent more on that calls, and they used to trade. But now, since the time has changed, people are evolving, people are focusing more on their studies, giving denoting times to their research. And in 2020, when the lockdown has started, people started opening up their new demat account, new trading accounts. The closed accounts were which were inactive started activating, which means that people are now looking for, during this bad times, are looking for and business avenues. So there are small traders, there are big traders, the small shop vendors, or probably who are looking for some of the revenues to mitigate their cost of their households and gain some incomes from this intraday trading. And this has changed drastically in last 10-15 years, what I have seen. So people are now educating to intraday trading. So I would share my experience what are the stuffs you should think when you are looking for an intraday trading. And I've created a special YouTube channel, or probably YouTube playlist on how to do trading for living. So you can watch that in detail. So first thing is the biggest challenge generally which what people face intraday: are you able to denote time from 9:15 to 3:30 if you are trading equities? If you are trading commodities, 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. So there are various problems, family problems, all those stuffs which are there, which I have discussed in detail in those. So are you able to denote the time for this intraday trading? Second is strategies. People generally don't have proper strategy to stock selection, especially the stock selection. So people just look at the screen, the stock is moving, you jump in down to the running train, and you make out of the profit after that. So I guess that is slightly biggest problem when it comes to intraday. So you need to strategize yourself on various try various strategies. There are n number of various strategies on intraday trading. So I generally follow Heikin-Ashi 10 minutes and 15 minutes chart, where I think in case something is excellently building up on the Heikin-Ashi and there is a trade on intraday side, I'll definitely look for. So you need to strategize some of these stuffs. Third is discipline. Yes, discipline is very very important. So there is discipline you need to keep right from 9:15 to 3:30 when it comes to the intraday trading. Greed. So every day it won't be the money making day. So there could be a days out of 22 trading sessions, there could be a trades where you are making 17 days money and probably 5 days a loss. So try to control your greed. So for a target, so try to keep daily targets as well. So making 2000 a day, making 5000 a day, making 10,000 a day, whatever your target is. If in case that target is achieved, try to lower your risk. So there are various risk management techniques you should learn for intraday trading. So greed is very much important when on how to control it. Risk management, as I said, so there is a risk management. So in case you are looking for a 1.5%, 2% trade during intraday, so what is the stop losses? So I generally, what I prefer is my 1% should be the stop loss. Max 1% risk I will take on my intraday trading. So if 1% risk, I generally stop my trading day. So that's, you need to keep your risk management under control. Next is trading platform or brokerage. So trading platform plays a key role over here. So those who are trading intraday generally look for technical stuffs, look for derivative stuff. So there are various brokers who offer the platforms. I don't want to name them because this is not a sponsored video, but there are various brokers who are giving you excellent trading platforms to analyze, to trades, just a single click. So you need to try to find out which is suiting your style, which is suiting your derivatives data will be available, your technical data will be available. Is it real time, is it slightly delayed? So you need to figure out those which is very much important for you as a trading platform. Selecting a best broker, so you need to select a best broker which is benefit for you. Support should be there should be no glitches in the technical error. So there are all various stuffs when you're selecting the brokers. uh, Charges, and this is very very much important because generally you don't know what are the brokerage being charged, what are the charges, and if you remember the SEBI rules which have the higher cost when you are ending the trades in the money option. So you need to keep all those charges by brokers, by SEBIs, all those stuff. So before you start your trading, you should have a handy all those stuff. So what is your break even? uh, Next is margin funding. So basically when intraday you trade intraday, brokers generally offer you margin fundings, and when you have a lakh in your account, generally brokers give 3x 4x, which means that when you have a lakh, the 4x, which means you have been offered a margin of 4 lakhs. So till 4 lakhs you can trade on the intraday side. So you need to keep a margins, what kind of leverage you want to take, what is your risk management subject over here. So these are the various stuffs which I have experienced during this intraday, my intraday journey of last 10 12 years. So you need to keep a watch on this. And again, this I have learned by evolving, by trading and what all those stuff. So you should keep a watch on these all these stuff. This is our, though this seems a simple when you watch this video, but they are practically very very much important. So you need to keep watch on this stuff. And I hope during this bad times, during the lockdown, during the slowdowns, intraday trading helps you to make money and be dependent on your trading income. So before signing off, I'll request click on the like button and do click on the subscribe button, and also do comments. We are very happy that people are commenting on our video, and I would request comment whatever you think on this video. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters, Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.